This FDW folding wagon is a game changer for anyone who enjoys the outdoors. Setting up this wagon is incredibly easy. It literally folds and unfolds in seconds. When collapsed, it's a mere 5.7 inches thick, making it super easy to store in your car trunk or even a small closet. Forget struggling with bulky carts. This one is designed for convenience. The wagon boasts a surprisingly large capacity. With interior dimensions of 30.7 by 17.3 by 10.6 inches, plus a handy removable pocket, you can fit a ton of gear inside. Think sporting equipment, groceries, camping supplies, or even all the essentials for a day at the park. The two mesh cup holders are a nice touch for keeping drinks secure. One of the standout features is the removable canopy. This offers protection from both sun and rain, keeping your belongings dry and shielded from the elements. And if you prefer to let your cargo soak up some sun, simply remove the canopy. This wagon is incredibly versatile. Use it for hauling sports gear, picnic supplies, groceries, or even gardening tools. The sturdy steel frame and durable 600 denier Oxford fabric can handle a load of up to 100 pounds, making it perfect for various tasks. The wheels are designed to handle various terrains, from grassy parks to sandy beaches. Overall, this FDW folding wagon is a fantastic investment for anyone who enjoys spending time outdoors. Its ease of use, large capacity, and durable construction make it a must-have for camping trips, picnics, sporting events, and so much more. It's a true all-around workhorse that simplifies hauling and makes outdoor adventures even more enjoyable.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.